Stop struggling to come up with video ideas. If you've ever spent hours brainstorming reels, TikTok skits, or YouTube shorts, only to hit a creative block, AI is about to be your new bestie. I will share how to use AI to write engaging, funny, and viral-worthy video scripts. Let's go. Why use AI for video scripts? Writing scripts for reels and skits takes time. Thinking of the perfect hook, structuring the dialogue, and making sure it's actually funny? Yeah, that can be exhausting. But guess what? AI can do the heavy lifting, and it's kind of a genius at it. Instant script ideas. AI generates fun, engaging video concepts. Fast, formatted scripts. No more overthinking, just hit record. Different styles and tones, from sassy and witty to professional and dramatic. Dialogue generation. AI writes natural conversations and punchlines. So, if you want quick, snappy, and engaging video content, let's check out the best AI tools for scriptwriting. First up, our reliable old bestie ChatGPT. Need a 30-second script for a viral reel? Just type in a prompt and boom, AI delivers. Example prompt. Write a funny 30-second Instagram reel script where AI takes over someone's life. Next, we have Jasper AI. This tool formats your script perfectly for Instagram reels, TikTok, and YouTube shorts. It even helps with hooks and CTAs for maximum engagement. Want realistic, funny, or dramatic conversations? Scriptwriting is your go-to for creating dialogues, skits, and storytelling sequences that feel natural and engaging. And if you want to turn scripts into visually stunning videos, Canva's AI script generator helps structure short-form videos with text overlays, captions, and animations. These tools will help you write scripts faster, but let's put AI to the test and create a script in real time. How to write an AI-powered video script in 5 easy steps. Here's how to go from blank page to fully written script in minutes with AI. Step 1. Start with a hook. Stop the scroll. Use AI to generate an attention-grabbing opening line. Example prompt. Write a 10-second hook for a reel about how AI is taking over my life. Step 2. Generate the main concept and dialogue. AI creates natural, fun, and engaging conversations. Example prompt. Write a short script where an AI assistant refuses to listen to its owner and starts making life decisions. Step 3. Format for quick delivery. Reels, TikTok, and shorts. AI helps structure your script for short-form video formats. Example prompt. Make the script snappier with short, punchy lines for a TikTok skit. Step 4. Add a call to action, CTA. AI suggests the best CTA to boost engagement. Example prompt. Add a funny CTA that makes people comment and share. Step 5. Edit and perform. AI gives you the foundation, but your delivery, personality, and creativity make it a viral hit. And boom, your AI-powered script is ready to record. AI is revolutionizing content creation, and now you have the ultimate cheat code for writing fun, engaging, and viral-worthy scripts fast. Tag me at Instagram at #AngelinaMilikey #unleash your creative superpower. I love seeing your creations.